Welcome to Cooking World Studio. Today we are going to learn how to make Malai paneer at home. Contents for Malai paneer butter masala: 10 tomatoes, 1 big onion, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 3 tablespoons of oil, 5 grams of garlic, 2 grams of ginger, 15 grams of cashew nut, 1 small bay leaf, 1 piece cardamom, 3 tablespoons of coconut powder. Add 3 tablespoons of oil to saucepan and heat for a minute. Next add all the ingredients and boil it for 15 minutes. Stir well at medium heat. After 15 minutes, add the ingredients to mixer and grind it thoroughly and set it aside. Next, cut the paneer into small cubes. Now, contents for paneer: 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of oil, 2.5 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, half tablespoon of chili powder, quarter tablespoon of turmeric, half tablespoon of biryani masala, 1 tablespoon of shai jeera or cumin seeds, 1.5 tablespoon of salt, quarter tablespoon of garam masala. Next, heat the saucepan for 3 minutes and add 4 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add shai jeera and all the ingredients and mix. Immediately add paneer cubes and mix thoroughly. Next, strain the ingredient mix through filter on top of paneer. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of salt and quarter tablespoon of garam masala. Then add 2 tablespoons of honey. Next add 5 grams of chopped coriander leaves. And add 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. And that's it. Your Malai paneer butter masala is ready. Enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click the like button, share it to your friends and subscribe to Cooking World channel.